Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Engineering Lean and Six Sigma Conference at the Magnolia Hotel in Houston, Texas. We're talking with attendees this week about their conference experience, just using three main questions. Our first guest is Paul Odomirok. Paul taught the Lean Scrum pre-conference workshop, so we're going to get to know him a little bit and talk a little bit about his conference experiences. First, Paul, if you would, please introduce yourself.
Again, I'm Paul Odomirok. I'm president and CEO of Performance Excellence Associates. I've been doing business consulting, mostly in the area of performance improvement and leadership and change since about 1995.
Paul, what keeps you coming back to this conference?
Well, I've been at this conference every year for several years in a row. One of the things that keeps me coming back is seeing colleagues, seeing customers, past customers, and actually just the networking and the interrelationships and the collaboration that we have in this particular area of the industry.
What's your big takeaway from this conference, or what do you hope to learn while you're here?
Well, one of the things I always learn is I always learn some of the best practices that others are doing. I'm about to go to another session, and in that session, I'm learning some of the human factors best practices that one of the presenters is going to provide with tools and resources and other things. Another thing that I learn is I learn a whole host of changes and nuances and improvements, both in the Lean and Six Sigma area, for implementation that I can use.
That all sounds great, Paul. We greatly appreciate participating in another Engineering Lean and Six Sigma conference, and we hope you have a good time in Houston.
Thank you very much.